This 3-bedroom/3-bathroom, plus office with 3148 square feet under air has an open floor plan. Enter this lovely home with double glass front doors to a fabulous great room with ceramic tile on a diagonal tiered high-volume ceilings, designer window treatment/built-in hardwood entertainment unit. Granite kitchen features solid wood cabinetry with both wooden and glass fronts, double built-in wall ovens, granite desk/instant hot. Oversized master suite with its under closet/tiered ceiling sitting area, glass door to heated pool and patio. Oversized marble master bath with dual sinks, makeup area/built-in tub and separate shower. Heated pool and spa with golf views. Golf membership available, price to sell at $499,000.